Welcome to our channel, Grow Rich. I'm thrilled to embark on this financial education journey with you. Did you know that 76% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck? It's a staggering statistic that highlights the urgent need for financial literacy. That's why I've created this channel, to equip you with the knowledge and tools you need to make informed financial decisions and achieve financial success. You might be wondering, why should I care about financial education? Well, let me tell you from personal experience. Just a few years ago, I was drowning in debt and struggling to make ends meet. It was a stressful and overwhelming time in my life. But then, I realized the power of financial education. I started learning about budgeting, investing, and building wealth, and slowly but surely, I transformed my financial situation. Now, I want to share those lessons with you. Finance can be intimidating, and it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But trust me, you don't need to be a financial expert to master your finances. On this channel, I'll break down complex concepts into simple, easy-to-understand lessons. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to deepen their financial knowledge, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll cover everything from the fundamentals of financial education to advanced strategies for building wealth. But before we dive in, I want to emphasize the importance of financial literacy. In today's world, making smart financial decisions is crucial for creating a secure future and achieving your goals. I'm excited to be your guide on this journey, and I promise to make this learning experience engaging, practical, and fun. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial life, let's get started. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, leave comments, and join our community of financially empowered individuals. Together, we'll unlock the secrets to financial success and make our dreams a reality. Financial education forms the bedrock of personal finance. It empowers individuals to make sound financial decisions, take control of their money, and ultimately achieve their goals. So, let's start by defining what financial education is and why it matters. Financial education refers to the knowledge and skills needed to manage personal finances effectively. It encompasses understanding key financial concepts, such as income, expenses, assets, liabilities, budgeting, and savings. By equipping yourself with this knowledge, you'll be better equipped to make informed decisions about your money. Let's dive into these concepts one by one. First, income. Income is the money you earn from various sources, like your salary, wages, or any investments you may have. It's the fuel that powers your financial journey. Now, let's talk about expenses. These are the costs associated with your day-to-day living, such as rent or mortgage payments, utilities, groceries, and entertainment. Managing your expenses effectively is crucial to ensure that they don't exceed your income. Next, we have assets and liabilities. Assets are things of value that you own, like property, investments, or savings accounts. On the other hand, liabilities are debts or financial obligations, such as mortgages, loans, or credit card debt. Understanding the difference between assets and liabilities is essential in building wealth and making smart financial decisions. Now, let's explore budgeting. A budget is a plan that helps you allocate your income towards different expenses. It provides a clear overview of your finances and ensures that you're not overspending. By budgeting wisely, you can save more money, pay off debt, and work towards your financial goals. Finally, let's discuss the importance of savings. Saving is the act of setting aside a portion of your income for future use. It's like building a financial safety net. You can have different types of savings, like emergency funds to cover unexpected expenses, short-term savings for specific goals like a vacation or a down payment on a house, and long-term savings for retirement. Saving regularly helps you achieve financial stability and brings you one step closer to your dreams. By understanding these foundational concepts, you're already on your way to mastering your finances. Now we'll explore how to build a strong financial foundation by managing debt, creating effective budgets, and establishing emergency funds. Managing debt is a crucial aspect of achieving financial success. It's important to understand the difference between good debt and bad debt. Good debt, like student loans or mortgages, can provide long-term benefits and build assets. However, bad debt, such as high-interest credit card debt, can be detrimental to your financial well-being. Minimizing and paying off high-interest debt should be a priority. Consider creating a repayment plan, negotiating lower interest rates, and paying off debts with the highest interest rates first. Taking control of your debt is a significant step towards financial freedom. Creating an effective budget is another essential element of building a strong financial foundation. A budget is a plan that helps you track and manage your income and expenses. Start by identifying your sources of income and categorizing your expenses. There are various budgeting methods you can choose from, such as the 50/30/20 rule, which allocates 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings. Find a budgeting approach that works for you and helps you achieve your financial goals. Remember to track your expenses, cut unnecessary costs, and regularly review and adjust your budget as needed. Establishing an emergency fund is critical to your financial security. An emergency fund is a dedicated savings account that provides a safety net during unexpected situations or financial emergencies. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. Start by setting aside a portion of your income regularly and automate your savings. This way, you'll build your emergency fund gradually without even thinking about it. Having an emergency fund provides peace of mind, protects you from debt in times of crisis, and allows you to handle unexpected expenses without derailing your financial progress. By managing debt effectively, creating a budget, and establishing an emergency fund, you are laying the foundation for a strong financial future. These steps will help you gain control over your finances, reduce stress, and position yourself for long-term success. Now, we'll delve into the topic of making your money work for you through investments and retirement planning. So stay tuned and let's continue our financial education journey. Investing is a powerful tool for growing your wealth over time. First, let's discuss the basics of investing. When you invest, you put your money into various financial instruments, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or real estate, with the goal of generating returns. Stocks represent ownership in a company, bonds are debt instruments, mutual funds pool money from multiple investors, and real estate involves purchasing property. Each investment option comes with its own set of risks and rewards. Before you start investing, it's crucial to assess risk. Risk assessment involves evaluating the potential risks and rewards of different investments. Consider your risk tolerance, which reflects your comfort level with taking on risk. Understanding your risk tolerance will help you make investment decisions that align with your financial goals. Diversification is another essential aspect of investing. Diversifying your investments means spreading your money across different asset classes, industries, or geographic regions. By diversifying, you can reduce the impact of any single investment's performance on your overall portfolio. It's an effective risk management strategy that helps protect your investments. Now, let's talk about the power of compound interest. Compound interest is like a snowball rolling down a hill, gaining momentum over time. It allows your initial investment to earn interest, and as that interest is added to the principal, subsequent interest is calculated based on the increased amount. The longer you stay invested, the more significant the impact of compounding. It's an incredible tool for growing your wealth over the long term. Long-term investing is key to harnessing the power of compounding. While short-term market fluctuations are inevitable, historical data shows that the stock market has provided long-term growth despite these fluctuations. By adopting a long-term perspective, you can weather the ups and downs and potentially achieve higher returns. Retirement planning is an important aspect of investing. As you think about your future, it's crucial to save and invest for retirement. Employer-sponsored retirement plans, like 401k or 403b, individual retirement accounts, IRAs, and annuities are all vehicles that can help you save for retirement. Each comes with its own features and potential tax advantages. Starting early and taking advantage of employer matching contributions can have a significant impact on your retirement savings. In retirement planning, asset allocation is key. It involves determining the right mix of investments based on your risk tolerance, time horizon, and retirement goals. By aligning your investments with your objectives, you can build a portfolio that supports your desired retirement lifestyle. Investing is a vast and exciting topic, and we've only scratched the surface. But understanding these basics is a crucial step toward making your money work for you. As we continue our journey in financial education, it's essential to navigate the financial landscape wisely. Let's discuss some common financial pitfalls to avoid. One common pitfall is falling into the trap of predatory loans. These are loans that come with high interest rates and unfavorable terms, often targeting individuals with limited financial knowledge. Be cautious when considering loans and make sure to understand the terms and implications before committing. Another pitfall to avoid is relying too heavily on high-interest credit cards. While credit cards can be useful for building credit and managing cash flow, they can also lead to substantial debt if not used responsibly. Be mindful of your spending, pay off your balances in full whenever possible, and avoid carrying high-interest debt. Impulsive spending is another common pitfall that can hinder your financial progress. It's easy to give in to the temptation of instant gratification, but it often comes at the expense of long-term financial goals. Practice mindful spending, differentiate between needs and wants, and prioritize saving and investing for your future. Living beyond your means is a trap that many people fall into. It's crucial to align your lifestyle with your financial reality. Avoid excessive spending, create a budget, and make sure your expenses are in line with your income. Living within your means allows you to save, invest, and build a solid financial foundation. Insurance coverage is another important aspect of financial well-being. Life insurance, health insurance, property insurance, and car insurance provide protection against unexpected events and financial risks. Having appropriate insurance coverage ensures that you and your loved ones are financially protected when unforeseen circumstances arise. Lastly, let's talk about the significance of financial literacy during economic downturns. Financial crises and economic downturns can have a profound impact on individuals' financial lives. Being financially literate empowers you to make informed decisions, adapt your financial plans, and explore alternative income sources during difficult times. By staying knowledgeable and proactive, you can navigate through challenges more effectively and emerge stronger on the other side. Understanding these pitfalls and practicing financial literacy will help you navigate the financial landscape with confidence and avoid unnecessary setbacks. Financial education is a transformative tool that can lead to personal and financial success. By equipping ourselves with the knowledge and skills to manage our finances effectively, we gain control over our financial destiny. Financial literacy empowers us to make informed decisions, adapt to changing circumstances, and work towards our goals. Throughout this video, we explored the foundations of financial education, understanding key concepts such as income, expenses, assets, liabilities, budgeting, and savings. We learned how to make our money work for us through investing wisely, leveraging the power of compound interest, and planning for retirement. We also discussed the importance of navigating the financial landscape, avoiding common pitfalls, and protecting ourselves through insurance coverage. But our journey doesn't end here. I encourage you to continue your financial education beyond this. In the upcoming videos, I will add more financial tips, motivational contents, and financial advice for your financial success. Take action based on the knowledge you've gained today. Create a budget, start investing, or seek professional financial advice. The key is to apply what you've learned and make tangible progress towards your financial goals. I want to express my sincere gratitude for joining me on this educational journey. Your time and interest are greatly appreciated. I invite you to leave comments, ask questions, and share your own experiences or tips related to financial education. Remember to subscribe to this channel for future educational content on personal finance. Together, let's continue our pursuit of financial knowledge and empower ourselves to achieve financial success. Thank you, and until next time.